Words to know. House. Addition. 28 plus 4 equals 32.
What is a pattern? Think about this question during the lesson. Look at the picture of the house numbers on a street. On what are the houses arranged? The houses and numbers are arranged on a number line. How do you think using a number line can help you find a pattern? Using a number line can help you because the numbers are in an order. The house numbers on a street are in a pattern. If the pattern continues, what are the next 3 numbers?
Think between 16 and 20. How many more do you need to get from 16 to 20? Got your number? Is it that number more to get from 20 to 24? How about 24 to 28? If your pattern is still true, you're probably correct.
Find the pattern.
Double check your pattern. Starting at 16, how many steps do you need on your number line to get to 20? Make sure to count every tick mark, even those that are not labeled.
Why does the picture show jumps on the number line? Some numbers are skipped to get from one house number to the next house number. What is the same about each jump? Each jump added 4.
Was your number correct? Double check yourself. Otherwise, you might want to go back and rewatch this video when we're done.
Each number is 4 more than the number before it. So, what is the rule for this pattern?
Think of what is the same. How much more was each jump?
The rule for this pattern is add 4.
Notice how they wrote it as a rule. Ruled, add 4.
Use the rule to continue the pattern.
What are the next 3 houses? Still not sure? Think of your plus 4 pattern. What would come next after 28? What is 28 plus 4? Then continue.
What are the next 3 numbers in the pattern? The next numbers in the pattern are 32, 36, and 40.
Were you right? If not, you might want to go back and rewatch this video when we're done.
How could you find the next number in the pattern without using the number line?
Make sure you think of your rule.
To find the next number in the pattern, continue to use the rule. Add 4 to 40. Now you know how to identify and extend a whole number pattern. Try it yourself now and use the rule to find the next 5 numbers in the pattern.